Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic beauty box, except it's not a beauty box this month. It's a bag and I can already see everything. So it's not going to be quite as much of a mystery as it normally is. I don't know why it's in a bag. I do know that there's a card in the back, but as you can see I haven't opened it yet, so maybe there'll be an explanation in there. But before we get into that, I just want to go through a few little things about Look Fantastic and what this beauty box or bag is, or usually is. But if you already know everything there is to know about Look Fantastic and you just want to skip ahead to the items, I'll leave a timestamp down in the comments section so that you can skip forward if you want to. But if you don't know what Look Fantastic is, then I will give a brief little description here about it, but I will also leave all of the detailed information in the description box down below so that you can check that out at your own leisure. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription service from the online beauty retailer Look Fantastic. So Look Fantastic sell a wide range of beauty products. They sell everything from makeup, skincare, hair care, beauty tools, and the brands that they stock range from high-end all the way down to drugstore. So whatever you're looking for, you can pretty much find it on Look Fantastic. They also do these beauty boxes. As I said, it's usually a box, and these are £15 per month on a rolling monthly subscription, but you can reduce the cost of the box by taking out a longer length of subscription. For example, I've taken out a 12-month subscription with them, and that brings the cost of my boxes down to £13 a month. So it just gives you a little bit of a reduction. There's usually 6 items in the box. It tends to be a bit skincare heavy, but every time I say that, it's usually full of makeup. However, I can kind of see that this one is definitely skincare heavy this month. So for once, I seem to be telling the truth. Woohoo! And the value of the product is usually around about £50. Quite often it's a bit more. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. So I'm just going to unzip it. I really like this bag actually. It feels quite good quality. It's kind of like a leathery sort of feeling. I'm guessing it's not actually real leather. And then you've got this sort of PVC plastic sort of window going on. You've got that front and back, so that's great. And let's just dig that card out and see what it says. Okay, so, and then you've got the Look Fantastic beauty box branding, and then on the back you've just got a little message. So it says, "To our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you love all the products in this box. With everything that is going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future." That's something I didn't really notice. There's usually a card that tells you all about the products inside the box with prices and information, and I don't have that. Okay, I'll worry about that in a minute. Don't worry, we will bring the printed versions back as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link for you to click through and read the magazine online. Thank you for your continued support, the beauty box team. Right, so normally what I would do is I would refer to the card within the box to let you know all the recommended retail values, and read out any information about them, such as how to use, application methods, things like that. Obviously not going to be able to do that because I would now need to go into my emails to find the information. It's quite late at night. I kind of just want to get this video filmed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to film now, and then as I'm editing I'll just pop all of that information, such as the RRPs, on screen for you so that you can see that as I go through. So a little bit different to usual. Wasn't really expecting that, but never mind. So first thing I can see is this. So it's from Glove, and it's a hairbrush. So I have had something from Glove before. In fact, I think I've had a couple of things. Yes, I have. So I've had a little makeup remover mitten or glove. And I've also had a set of moon pads, which are also makeup remover, like little pad things. didn't really like either. So I'm glad that I don't have another one of those. But hairbrush, I've got about 2 or 3 of these kinds of things knocking around now. But they are handy to throw into your handbag. There's only so many a person needs though, so I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of this. I might pass this along just because I have got a few brushes. But it looks nice. The bristles feel quite sort of flimsy though, so I'm not sure how useful that will be to anyone, but it might be that it's some sort of detangling thing and works better than I expect it to. Who knows? As I said, if I find more information I'll just pop it on the screen for you. But first impressions, not something I need. They feel really flimsy for my hair at the very least, so don't know about that. Okay, next is, oh, this was the sneak peek on the back of the card from last month's box. I remember now. This is Molten Brown, and it's the Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. I'm really keen to smell this. I quite like sort of sea fragrances, especially for bath products. So, oh, I think I'm going to enjoy that. So that does smell sort of, it smells quite sea salty but sort of herbally at the same time. I quite like that, so that's definitely going in my bathroom pretty much straight away. Next we've got something from Josh Wood Colour. That's a brand I've never heard of, and it's the Everything Mask. So it says the colour locking multitasking deep conditioning treatment for every hair colour. Okay, apply to damp washed hair, leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse. Okay, so it just seems like it's a bit of a more intensive conditioner than you would normally use. That's cool. I like trying out new conditioners, so I will definitely give that a go. That's 2 products that I will definitely get some use out of. Okay, next we've got, ooh, so this is from Polar. I've had a couple of things from Polar, but I think I've only used the hand cream. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've had a face cream at some point, but I haven't used it. But I did use the hand cream and I quite enjoyed it. So this is a sun protection, so it's a sun lotion. It's a 50+ UVA, UVB sun protection, fragrance free, so that's good to know. I do have a 50+ sunscreen that I'm using at the moment for my face. I'm quite enjoying it, but I'm definitely keen to try something else to see if that works any better. Next we've got a, what is this? It's a mask of some kind. Okay, I think it is a face mask. If I'd have just turned it over, I would not have looked so lost. So it's the Aroma Blend Calming Mask, and if you turn it over, you can see on the instructions that it is a face mask. It's very late at night. I'm a bit slow. Bear with me. So, Spa Care System. It's got everlasting flower water, chamomile oil, neroli oil. Might smell quite nice then. Infused with neroli and professionally blended aroma oils, this relaxing mask calms and soothes your skin, revealing a healthier and softer skin. I like trying out face masks, so this is something that I will definitely be trying out. Might not be immediately. I do have a fairly good stash of masks going on at the moment, but I do really like to try them, so this is something that will go into the stash for future use. So yeah, that's cool. And the last thing that we've got is from Ultrasun, and it's a lip protection, so it's got SPF 30, yeah, and it's UVB and UVA protection, so again it's broad spectrum. Lips are something that I always forget to take care of. The only thing with SPF in a lip balm is it's not something that I tend to apply regularly. If I'm going to reapply anything throughout the day, it's more likely to be my lipstick. So don't know how that's going to work out, but it is definitely something that I should be incorporating into my routine. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to make the effort. I'm going to sort of try and use this up. It is rattling a bit though, and it does feel like something's a bit loose in there. So I am just going to open this up and see if it's damaged. Hopefully not. Okay, now it is attached. It's just that this inner bit, I don't know if you can see that. There's like a little tight little bit of plastic there, and that's just sort of wobbling against the outer plastic. So it's not damaged, it's not broken, it's just the component, the way the component's made. So phew. But yeah, as I said, I'll give it a go. It's definitely something I should be trying, so I will. And that is all of the items in this month's beauty box. So quick recap, we've got the glove little hairbrush thing. We've got the Molten Brown bath and shower gel. We've got the Josh Wood Colour hair mask. We've got the Polar sunscreen, which I'm noticing it doesn't say it's specifically for the face. I've been talking about it like it's a face sunscreen. It might not be. Again, I'll look more into that and put the information on the screen for you. But yeah, just noticed that. We've got the face mask from Aroma Blend, and we've got the Ultrasun SPF 30 lip balm. Overall, what do I think of this month's box? I quite like it. I like that there's some protection and it's sort of potentially an all over thing. It might not just be for the face. I like that there's a lip balm in there. I think when you do get lip balms in boxes, usually they are just bog standard lip balms or coloured lip balms, tinted, flavoured, scented. It's not necessarily the emphasis on skincare. So I quite like that this month. Face mask, always a winner. I do love a good face mask. Bath and shower gel, smells lovely. Can't wait to try it. Hair mask. I love to try new hair masks, so that's great too. I think for me the only thing that's a bit is that hairbrush. And I think part of it is because I've not got on with the previous glove products that I've had. So maybe I've got that perception that it's not going to be great. These bristles do just feel really flimsy, so I don't know. I will update you. While I think about it, I don't have access to a community tab on YouTube at the moment because I'm such a small channel. I can't post anything on YouTube to let you guys know any information. So I just wanted to let you know while I'm thinking about it. After I film these unboxings, I do generally sort of in a couple of weeks time post on Instagram a bit of an update. I usually post a bit of a closer look kind of deal, if I've tried the products, what I think of them now I've tried them. So if you are interested in knowing what I think about the products after I've unboxed them, go follow me on Instagram and you'll be able to keep up to date on there. So over to you guys then. Is Look Fantastic a box that you already subscribe to? If so, what did you think of this month's box? If you don't already subscribe to it, is this a box that has made you maybe reconsider? Just let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'm always interested to hear other people's thoughts and opinions. So that's it then guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It just helps to let me know that you're enjoying my content. And with all of that being said, I'll see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.